In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email update on Payhip if you want to share news, announce a product update, or simply stay in touch with your audience. Payhip makes it easy to send an email update directly from your account. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to fill in so you can send your message smoothly and confidently. To begin, head over to your Payhip dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your store, products, and customer activity. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Customers section and click on it. This is where Payhip groups tools related to the people who have interacted with your store, including options for communication. After that, click on Email Updates. This will take you to the area specifically designed for creating and managing messages you want to send to your audience. If you've never sent one before, this page may look simple, but it contains everything you need to create a basic update. Next, click on New Email Update. This opens the email editor where you'll build your message. The first field you'll need to complete is the To field. Here, enter the recipient group or audience you want to send the update to. Make sure you choose the correct audience because this determines who will receive your message. Once that's set, move to the subject field. This is the title of your email, and it's one of the first things recipients will see in their inbox. Keep it clear and direct so people immediately understand what the email is about. A simple, specific subject line usually works best. Then enter your message in the main content area. This is where you write the body of the email update. Try to keep your message organized and easy to read. If you're sharing an announcement, make the key point obvious early in the message. If needed, read it through once before sending to catch any typos or unclear wording. When everything looks good, click on Send. This will send your email update to the audience you selected. Before you do that, it's always a good idea to quickly review the recipient, subject, and message one last time, just to avoid sending out any mistakes. And that's it. That's how to send an email update on Payhip. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.